we wanted, the students wanted to do this for you, to show you what it is that they do. Song, poetry, performance, music. It's all very important to us because Mr. Steve is a very qualified music teacher and students have real talent.
គាត់បានជួបជាមួយអ្នកវិស័យរបស់ជនជាតិអាមេរិកណាហើយទៅគាត់ចង់ឲ្យសិស្សសាលាយើងនិងសិស្សសាលាសម្ដែងរួមគ្នាតែគាត់ចង់អាចផ្ញើទៅអ្នកនៅវិស័យនៅអាមេរិកបាន
Okay. I'll leave it at that. So enjoy the show.